Winter weather returned to the Helena area Thursday, quickly piling up and creating headaches across the area. We've all heard the term April showers bring May flowers, right? But what does getting snow in April bring? While the answer may not be as exciting as flowers, lots of people around the greater Helena area are not happy with the continuous counts of snowfall in the month of April.
I am so over it. I'm over it the second it hits the ground.
Morgan Burkhardt has lived in Helena for 17 years and says this was one of the latest snow accumulations she's seen in Helena.
Snow started in like October and it's still going on, and then it would get warm so you think it's over and then it's not.
Longtime Helena resident Max Jensen has told MTN that he's also never seen this much snow this late in the spring season.
Not this late. I've been in Helena for 33 years and I haven't seen it this late.
Jensen is also the owner of Digit Solutions, which works outdoors in the conditions, and while he's frustrated with the snow accumulation in general, it's also messing with his work.
Very frustrating trying to find high ground, stay out of the mud because we're in a dirt work business, so it is frustrating.
The Helena area wasn't the only place hit with a blanket of snow this late in the season, with York also seeing a significant impact this week. Bartender at the York bar, Kyle Kotis, said while he expected the snowfall from weather alerts, he was still caught off guard with the amount of snow they got and with it sticking. Following the snowfall, Kotis found that business was slow and believes you only had to look outside to see the reason. But that's Montana for you, from sunshine to snow in a matter of days. Reporting in Helena, Ryan Berg, MTN News.